Day, everyone. Learn how to know or how to check which app is secretly using your internet data. It is very important to check which app is using your data because if you're using your mobile data and if it's expensive and limited, then you should check it in your Android phone. And it is really very easy. Go to the settings first, and in the search icon, just type data. In all phones, you will find data usage, data roaming. So we need to click on data usage. And here you will find data usage again. Click on that. The moment you click on data usage, you will find mobile data usage and Wi-Fi data usage. This is for the Samsung phone. You can try in another phone as well, and do let me know in the comment section whether you get these options or not. Now in mobile data usage, click on that and see which app is using the most of your data. If anything is unknown and you do not know about it, simply click on that and stop allow background data usage. All right. So you can turn off the data usage for that particular app and also uninstall it if it's required. Go back and do the same for Wi-Fi data usage. See which app is using the most of your data and see if it's taking a lot. Then you simply go to the app and toggle off allow background data usage. So this is how you can check and stop data usage for any app which is secretly using your internet data. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.